So, what's happening here in our local Long Beach real estate market? Everyone wants to know. Should I buy? Should I sell? It can be so confusing with all of the news, whether it be positive or negative, or what the best choice is for your family. Okay, so let's look at the data of what's happening so that you can make an educated decision. Hi, I'm Stephanie with eXp Realty, and first off, according to real estate experts and advisors, anytime you have inventory levels, meaning the number of active homes on the market that are at 4 months of inventory or below, that means that we're in a seller's market. And anytime we have levels above 4 to 6 months, when there are more options for buyers and home sales slow, we are in a buyer's market. Now, you can compare it to the supply and demand theory. When there is a lot of supply of something and it's easy to get, you can't sell it for more money. But when there is a limited supply, then the prices go up. So let's see what inventory levels are doing here locally. Is it a good time to sell here in Long Beach? Well, let's look at what's been happening in the month of July. At the time of this video, we have 143 single-family homes that are active in all of the big city of Long Beach. It's not a lot, but the amount of listings on the market has actually increased slightly, only by around 20 homes or so, compared to inventory levels over the past several months, making it the highest level since February. The average time to sell is only 15 days for the 95 sales that happened last month in July, with only 24 of those selling below the seller's asking amount and the rest at or above what the seller was asking. There are 123 single-family homes currently in escrow. This pending inventory is what's most important to look at, as it's a snapshot of demand and can provide more of an accurate assessment of expected market time, even more than the days on market will show. Stephen Thomas with Reports on Housing, a top economist's analyzation of data and statistics in the national housing market, says, if you take the available number of homes and a snapshot of pending sales, when there are changes in the marketplace, it's going to show really fast with the expected market time. You can then see if it's a slight seller's market or buyer's market, or a strong seller or buyer's market. And right now in California, especially in Southern California, anything below luxury is pretty much getting multiple showings and multiple offers. And the average in the state is 100% for the sales price to list price ratio. In all actuality, the upper value range isn't really getting 100%, they're getting less. And in the lower range, it's getting more than 100%. Not sizably huge, but still about 2 to 3% more than the asking price, what we've been seeing. And as a result, we have values that have gone up. Locally, the absorption rate has just dropped a little bit over the last week, now at 1.5%, showing that how many months of inventory we currently have is still under 2 months' time, which indicates that we are, again, still in a strong seller's market. Now, you may be wondering if it's a good time to sell. So here in Long Beach, we have very low inventory and indications of stable buyer demand. It's a great time to sell, as for now at least, we are still experiencing bidding wars and the majority of homes are being sold above list price and within 2 weeks of hitting the market, which in turn means that it's not the most ideal purchasing environment for buyers, as they face competition and limited concessions. However, if you look at the forecast from the experts, which shows slowly declining interest rates, you will actually see that now is a better time to purchase a home compared to down the road, as lower rates will bring out more buyers. So, unless there also will be a ton of sellers coming to the market, the inventory will still remain tight and translate to increasing values. Want to know more about how you can have the advantage when the time is right to make a move? Whether you're considering it this year or next, let's get you prepared and go over your options. So reach out to us at no cost or risk for a strategy session. I'm Stephanie and looking forward to hearing from you. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.